Yeah. Taşidalek, lasso, peyaguduk, rua, oh, lasso. Yeah. Let's do little bit revision, rua. Karjon chegin, oh, lasso, rua, oh, lasso. Yeah, tini susi luna la inda, taşidalek.
Tashidelek.
Taşidalek keran depo impe,
Eh, nga depoyin.
lasso. Keran suyin,
Ah, nga susi lunayin.
ale. Keran kaneyin,
Nga Mexico neyin. No, nga Mexico ne.
uh-huh. Mexico ne yin. Finish the
Yin.
sentence.
Okay. Okay. Nga Mexico neyin.
Ale. Kerang o Germany ne minpe.
Ah, mare.
Or
Nga
min, riba?
min. Oh, yeah. Min. Min Germany ne mare. Ne min.
Germany ne min. Mexico ne yin. Riba?
Mexico yin. Yeah.
Pe ako sung. If I ask you, nga sure,
あそれ、あ、quieran dancing, dancing, re,
that's it. Riba? Yanker inda, yanker sungtang. Nga sure,
oh,
yanker
so
sungtang. Say again,
oh,
please. Riba?
oh,
Yanker
say again.
sungtang.
Oh, ajá. Quieran Nepal, no, quieran dancing, ne, no, quieran dancing, re,
That's it. Nga khane re.
oh, quieran Nepal, ne, re.
Pe. Riba? Ni kirang engineer in pe.
Min. Min, no, mare, mare. Quierang,
Nga,
um,
you talk about yourself. Riba? Nga.
oh, myself. Okay. Uh, min.
Mm-hmm.
Nga speech therapist.
Mm-hmm.
Speech therapist. Yin.
That's it. Nga speech therapist in.
Yeah.
Stand here. Riba? We can identify with anything. Akos nga. Pe ako sung sung. Susilo na la. Tuji che.
Mm,
No la.
there's a
Just like that, we will practice. Akos nga. La so tuji che. Pe ako sung sung. Tine Adam la yin. Tashi delek Adam la.
Președintele Tenzin la
Adam la. Susi luna khane re.
Suzy Luna Mexico nere
Ale. Kong or morang. Germany ne marpe.
uh, Mare
Uh-huh.
Suzy Luna la Mexico nere
Oh. Ruba Germany ne mare. Mexico ne re.
Germany ne mare. Okay.
Oh. Ruba pe. Ale. Morang. Doctor repe.
uh, mare morang doctor mare Suziluna la speech therapist re.
le. Kerang doctor yin pe.
Mare nga doctor min nga uh, lumza yin.
That's it. Rwa, anything. And kerang yang Mexico ne yin pe.
Kirang mare nga Mexico na yin
Mexico
na
ne min.
Mexico min ne min
Ah,
Mexico ne min nga inyul ne yin
ale, lasu. And chalak di khare re.
chalak di kari re
Ah,
nga
chalak di khare re.
chalak di kari re yeah re di kapar re
Ah, di laptop marbe.
di laptop na re di kapar re
Ale, di khaparwa.
di kapar re
That's it. Finish. Pe ako song. Adam la. Tuji che.
Tujuje
Lasu. Just like that. Rwa? Rest of us can also try answer in the mute. Ako sunga? Lasu. Pe ako song. Tene. Pe ma jimba la yin. Tuji che. Tashi delek pe ma jimba la.
다시 달라붙었나?
Oh, lasu. Pe ma jimba la. Adam la khane re. Oh,
Adam la in you nere.
Adam la in you ne re.
You
Kerang
nere.
yang in you ne yin pe.
Men nga in you ne men. Nga Zimbabwean. Ne yin.
Nga Zimbabwe ne yin. Las
Ne
las.
yin.
Pe ako song song. Ani Michael Jackson Zimbabwe ne re pe.
Mare. Michael Jackson, Zimbabwe, ne mare. Michael Jackson, arinere.
Pe ako song song. Michael Jackson ari ne res. Las. Nga Michael Jackson re pe.
Mare, um, Kerang, Michael Jackson, Mare, um, Kerang, Tenzin, La, Re,
Tenzin res. Rwa. Pe ako
Tenzin
song
Re.
song. Tuji che. Oh, las. Da inda kamanchi kuwa. Di karere pema chimbala, di loro nan.
Ni,
Ni.
Hao,
Hmm.
Nya, Kiku, Ni, Sa, Ni,
Peo. Ruba, peo lo song. Di karere.
Di, Ni,
Oh,
Nya, Kiku, Ni, Sa, Ni.
that's it. Peo. Ruba, as pema chimbala has read, here normal without prefix nya. Category simple. Nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni. When there is a prefix, we notice this nya becomes higher. Ruba, nya, ni, like this. Ruba, kau, nya, kiku, ni, sa, ni, as a two. Ruba, pe agulo song, tuji che. Laso, pe ma jimbala tuji che. Tene sonam dogala yin. Sonam dogala tashidelek. Laso.
Tashidelek.
Tashidelek sonam dogala kiran debo imbe.
Na depoin.
Peyawo. Laso. Ani sonam dogala. Three root sound. Kare kare re.
Ha. Sorry. Ha.
Peyawo song song. Peyawo song song. Out of these three, which one change sound when there is a prefix or superscript?
A category.
Peyawo. Category. This one. Raba?
Yes.
And ha category doesn't change sound. Raba? Peyawo song song. Now, can you tell me how many types of different type of sound they change to when there is a prefix or superscript?
Ni. Two types.
Ni. Raba? Ni. Raba? Kare kare re. What are those
Kare.
two?
Karere.
Can you tell me what are those two changes?
One is some they become higher and some become bolder.
That's it. Bolder or more bass, whatever word makes you understand better. Agosma. Tujiche. And di karere.
I chiare.
Can you read one by one for us?
Ka yata kya.
Ka yatak kyas. Peo song. Lasso. Teneya. Sonam dogala. Semchen di karere.
Ki re.
Semchen di ki re.
Senchendi ki re.
Peo. Semchen di look marbe.
Mare. Senchendi ki re. Look mare.
Peo song. Tujiche. Sonam dogala. Tujiche peo song. That's Lasso. Now, till now, all the answer question are all type of identifying where you from, where he is from, who is she, is she doctor, engineer. All this, whatever we learn, all are identifying. And we know all identifying ends in these three positive and negative ending. How goes one? Okay. Yin. How goes one? Re. Rwa? Then Reduk. We have Reduk here. Rwa? Then ya Yong la in the Trashi Deleg Yong la.
Tashi
Hola, so Yong la Trashi Deleg Kiran Debo Impe.
nga debo yin
La so Yong la. Di Karere.
di kapao cover re
Di Kapar Cover Repe.
mare di di kapao cover mare di kapao re
At that time you say Reduk.
redu
Because it's new knowledge. Oh, moment. Di Kapar Reduk. Like
di
this.
kapao redu
This situation, you say kapar. Hago sunga. Olas. Las. Oh, pea song. Tene ya. Di inda. Di karere. Yongla.
Di plastic bottle le.
Roha. Di plastic bottle race. Olas. Di chu marepe. Chu.
Chu. What? I don't know. Chu.
Water.
Re.
Marepe.
Di chu re.
Di chu race. Ruba? You can say the chu yang race. Anything. Ruba? But what I'm trying to show here is when to use reduk and negative reminduk. Agosuma, oh moment. Because it is not common, Ruba, but it is useful. Agosuma, that's so. Tikidu. Olas, inda. Tene yonla par di karere.
Di mare.
Di nimare. Pea. Olas. Di karere.
Di Nihon country le.
Nihon yul labna digide.
Di
Yul.
Nihon yul re.
Di karere. Di.
Di nya re.
Di ra marpe.
Mare. Di ra mare. Di nya re.
Pea ko. That's it. Finish. Pea ko song tujiche yongla. That's it. Lasso. We did very well. Lasso. Teneya, today we're gonna learn here some new word. Agosuma. Ruyunla, Trashidelek.
Trashidelek.
Hola, so, Ruyunla. Par di karere.
Party tap ray.
Ta dilotang. Yeah. Can you read this?
다 못해 탭 다 못해 차 나로 초
빼야고, 로송. Any?
탭
Together.
초
That's it. Tap, techo. Agosuma. It may seem like a new word. We already know this. Agosuma. Tap, techo. Let me break down here. Ruba? That's all. Now we already know the word tap, right? For book. We already know te, that. Ruba? Di, te, di, te. We already know. Now tap te means that book. Ruba? That's it. Now if you want to make it plural, you just have to add 차, 나루초. This book. Ruba? We don't have books. We have these book. How goes nga? That's it. Oh, that's it. Tep tetsos. How goes nga? Those book. Ruba tetso. Those book. Now this book. Tep ditso. How goes nga? We already learned this, right? 차. Have we learned this already?
not yet
Not yet. Okay. So today we are learning it here. How goes nga? Cha. Cha. You see something like this on the top. Right? The cha way. How goes nga? Now cha naro cho. How goes nga? Okay. The tap techo. How goes nga? Very good. Or tap dicho. This book. Techo. Those book. Right? Now when you normally say nga singular, if you want to make it plural, nga cho. Very easy. We. How goes nga? Nga cho. Now we already know Kong as a third person. Right? Now add Sanaru cho. Plural for Kong. Kong cho. How goes nga? We already know Kerang. Let's add Sanaru cho. Kerang cho. That's it. Kerang cho means you in a plural form. If a bunch of Nigeria Buddhist practitioner came, I would ask, Kerang cho kane yin? Then they will say, nga cho Nigeria ne yin. Just like that. How goes it? Normally, Kerang kane yin. Nga Nigeria ne yin. Plural. Kerang cho kane yin. Nga cho Nigeria ne yin. That's it. How goes nga? Kerang cho, nga cho, kong cho. Peyago. Very important word. Cha, naru, cho. Okay. 야구 송송 도대체 하고 송아 탭대초 those book right lasso ya ruyunla dilorona
khảo yak ka yak
oh
yak tetso
that's it 약 대초 빼요 되네 dilorona
khảo ka tempo ke ao ta shaku tu na dun
oh
ye dun ba cho
that's it gedungpa 초 that's
ba cho
that's gedungpa 하고 송아 commonly known as monks right gedungpa monks or nuns. For nuns, you can say Gedun Ma. Gedun Ma instead of Pa. For monks, you can say Gedun Pa. So Ge means Gewa, good deed. Dun means aim. Objective. Only one objective is to serve. Is to do good deed. Bodhisattvas, Chuchu, the way of Bodhisattva. Only thinking, serving the all sentient being. That's why their only aim is to do good deed. Gedunpa. Agosma, commonly known as monk or nun. Agosma, Gedunpa, Gedunma. Now cho became plural. Agosma, that's it. Gedunpa cho, Gedunma cho. Peagosong. Yeah, tene dilorona, Ruyunda.
ngã chục ta shakyu pu ma naru mo ngã pu mo chok.
That's it. Now, ngacho, we, pumutso, girls, plural. We girls. Didabo. Ngacho, pumutso. Tade, ini diloro na.
Ka naru ko ngã kong chok.
That's it. Kongcho. For third person, third subject. Plural. Kongcho. Here. Kongcho, Europe nere. Something like this. How goes ma? Since we already know singular sentence, di rare. Now we already know plural. Dicho rare. Or di tepre. Or you can say dicho tepre. Dicho, these. Tepre, our book. In English, books. Olas. 하고서 다초 디기 plural 쓰기도가 망식 하고서 야고충성. Now here 차, how to write 차 하고서 차. When I read this, we can see it's ha category. 차 하고서 here. Then we have here category sha, sha, sha. That's it. Now, if you notice, all the alphabet or letters start from top left, always from top left, then a left, then right, and go to the right. Start from top left. Always, everything, if you see, 3 of them start from top left. Be, sha, nya. That's
Can I make a question, please?
Yes, please.
For someone that is left-handed, it has to be left to right, left to right always. Because I'm left-handed. I'm left-handed, and it's difficult for me to write like that.
Yes, but there is no rule of you must write like this. But if you get a little bit similar shape, I think it's okay.
Okay.
Well,
thank you.
So thank you. Kale. Slowly, I want us to also learn Tibetan typing. Very easy. I learned it in 2-3 days. Very easy. I'm typing on an English keyboard, but it's very easy. That's it. Now we already know ni. If you remember, ni. As a two, ni. Now, sometimes we say I, or we too, or we. How would you say this? Nga, ngani, ngacho. Like this. Nga pöne yin, ngani, pöne yin, ngacho, 페네인. Like it. So here, ngani or ngeni, chikpare, same. Nga or nga tingbu nge tangi, same. But nga tingbu nge tangi, we don't use it. We only use nga. Agos nga nowadays. Hmm? Ngani, ngacho, right? Kerangni, kerangcho. Kongni, kongcho. Like this. Agos nga. Hmm? Holas. Hola, so now we have a little bit here. Fill in the blanks. Ruba? Imogen la inda. Imogen la tashidelek.
Rashidele,
Tashidelek imogen la depo imbe.
Depoyen,
La so. Ni diloro na. Can you read this?
Sure, La Ka, Lakpa, Ka, Nyakigu, Ni, Sa, Ni,
That's
Lakpa, Ni,
very good. Lakpa ni. Lakpa means hand. We know this. Ruba? Lakpa ni. Two hand. Ruba? Oh, payabo. Payabo do. Oh, on the way, we're gonna learn some new words. Please write them down. If Ruba, Tini diloro nang, yeah, imogen la.
Na, Stanaroso, Karata, Tra, Naro, Tro, Ka, Sa, Tro, Manaromo,
Pero,
Nas, Trokmo.
that's it. Not so tokmo. We friends. Tokmo, especially female friends. We girlfriends. Ruba, not so tokmo. Ruba, pero. Yakulo song. Tini diloro nang.
Achaka, acha,
Hmm.
ka, nyakigu, ni, sa, ni, acha,
That's it. Achak ni. Achak. We know. Ruba sister. Ruba. Achak ni. Two sister. Ruba. Yakulo song. Tine ya diloro na.
ka, na, kang, pa, tadrimbu de, sanarusu, kang pa de so.
Tang. Pa. Ruba. Tang pa. Ketso. Peago. Ruba. Those house. Yakulo song. Tine diloro na.
Karata, tra, naru, tro, ka, tro, po.
Ngani tropo. Ruba. Ngani tropo. We two friend. Male friend, tropo, trokmo, female friend. Hagos ma? Yaguloso. Ini diloro na. Yeah.
La shabjulu kaluk, ta drimbu de, sanarusu, luk de so.
That's it. Look, tetso. Those look. Ruba? Pero. Tade. Look, tetso. Dedwa? Nani trokpo. We two friend, male friend. Nani trokpo. Hagos ma? Tade achalani. Ruba? Lakpani. 강파 대초. Ruba de pumuto. Ngatsu trokmo. We female friends. Right? Some example of how to use so. How goes nga? Now, ngani, ngatso. Dini, ditso. Di karere. Dini karere. Ditso karere. How goes nga? You already know the sentence pattern. Only you just have to add so to make it plural. Di karere. Ditso karere. How goes nga? That's it.
Tujiche.
That's all. That's it. Didi maso. Yeah. Olas. That dinin. Yeah, Rodrigo la tashi delek.
Tashi delek.
Tashi delek Rodrigo la depo imbe.
Kongso. Should I spell it out? Okay. Ka naroko nga kong. Sa narocho kongcho. They a pa ratak tra narotro ka chok pa chok pa ra dengpo re ta re.
That's it.
Chok pa re.
Kongso
Them,
Drogba.
so they are nomads.
Agarande. Ruba. Kongso plural. Ruba. Kongso Drogba.
They them.
Yeah.
Plural.
How goes nga? That's it. Dini dil oro na. Yeah.
Okay. Ka naroko nga kong. Cha narocho kongcho. Sha kigushi nga shing pa. Ra drenpo re ta re. Kongcho shing pa re.
That's it. Kongso
They
Shingpa.
are farmers.
That's it. Farmer. Ruba. Shingpa. We have new word here. Sha kikushi nga shingpa. Shingpa. Ruba. Kongso Shingpa re. Kongso Drogba re. That's it. Drogba Shingpa. How goes nga? Look. Okay. So now we have here some words. We have to make a fill in the blanks in the below sentence. Ruba? Let's try without any guidance. We will read the words once and try it. Ruba? Let's see. Ruba? So for the words option, we have gegen. Then we have ne, from. Ruba? Germany ne. Pö ne, gyakar ne. Achak, sister. Ruba? Chocho, brother. Drokpa, farmer. Chik, we have new word here. Kaucha, kikuchi, ka chik. As a one. How goes nga? Then we have kashabkyu kura, kur. As a tent. We learned that. Right? Then we have pema, pa, ta, pe, ma, pema. As a lotus flower or female name. How goes nga? Pema. That's it. Then we have pa shapkyu pu, manarumo, pumo. Then we have pu, lakpa. Then here, ra kataka nga kang pa, kang pa. That's the opposite of lakpa, feet. How goes nga? Lakpa, kang pa. Lapa, Kangpa. Yeah, Rodrigo la in the Titra Cherona. Rodrigo la. Let's
Okay.
practice.
Panarupo ta po
Pe,
pa
Anaru pe tap.
pe pa di shing pa mare right. Di shing pa mare pe pa di
Pepa di. Pepa as a Tibetan. Raba? Tibetan di. This Tibetan. Raba? Pepa di.
okay.
Shingpa mare. Tit re.
The okay. Not the first one, not the second one. Ashakna, chocho, no.
Raba?
Kur, no. Pum, no. Pumo, no. Pu. Pure.
Okay, we can say Pepa di farmer mare. But he is
No.
ill, you are saying. Raba? It's like this. Michael Jackson, engineer mare. Dancer re. Like this. Instead of Michael Jackson, we have Pepa di. This Tibetan. Shingpa mare. Farmer mare.
Yeah, so what is it then? For example, gegen, re.
That's it.
Gegen.
That's also okay. Gegen re. He's not
So the
farmer.
farmer is a teacher. Yeah.
Why not? It's right. Pepa
Yeah.
di Shingpa mare. Gegen res. But we have other word for here, especially for this blank. You can say this one too, Ruba. Dilota.
Chokpa.
That's
So
uh-huh.
pa chokpa nomad.
Oh, that's it.
No, that's not a farmer, but a nomad. Okay, yeah.
Oh, the younger Lothang. Yeah. Younger. Oh.
Pepa di shing pa mare chokpa re.
That's it. Pepa di Shingpa mare Drogpa re.
Okay.
How goes on? Now here we have two.
Lop ne me
Now let's try Pedro la in the Pedro la. Pedro la. So, for example, I can say Kapar lapna mobile phone re. Right? But here, something lapna metok tit re.
I have no idea.
This one I will put it here. It's a flower. Metok chik rays. It's one of flower. Raba? Something labna metok chik rays.
Okay. No.
Yeah, dilotang, di karere. Pedro la.
Di karere. Pema. Pema. Pema, yes. Yes.
The labtang.
Pema. Okay. Yes, Pema.
That's Pitu whole sentence.
Pema lak. Pema lap lapna, pema lapna, metok chikre.
That's it. Usually we don't say chick. We just say pema labna metok re. Right?
Okay, it's a flower. It's a
Now chick
flower.
is like a or one.
Like
One.
Okay, I see.
Pema labna metok re or pema labna metok chick re. Mobile labna kapar re. Ruba.
Okay.
Samsung mobile labna kapar chick re. It's a mobile. Ruba. That's it. Something like this. How goes ma?
Okay.
Now here we have a new word. Desa. Desa. How goes ma? Desa means a place where we stay. How goes ma? Desa. Sa tatak da naru de ta de sa. Desa. How goes ma? Lasso. Tene ya Pedro la dilota. Try cheta.
To read?
Yes, please.
To sa te kang pa mare.
Tut re. Desa te. Kangpa mare. Tut.
Kure.
That's it. Finish. Riba.
Kure.
Desa di kangpa mare. Kurre. That's it. Riba. Staying place di kangpa mare. Kurre. Hola, so tuji che Pedro la. Pero. Just like this. Little bit difficult here. I know this. Ako nga. Hola. Tene fang fang la yin. Tashi delek fang fang la.
Nasitalek can sing.
딱 팡팡라 직접 딜로네 계란기 라고르다 하고서나 뚜디 그
Re.
어
Lục chúc re. Thu độ nê re. Đúng không? Chi tử.
Now we have here right? Gegen or achak or right? You can say pumo or pu right? What is the best for here right? For example I would say 푸디 베네레 롭툭테 유럽네레 right? Or anything scientist di 베네레 롭툭테 유럽네레 right? 아니 팡팡라 계란기 가르송기 try 팡팡라 try chetan
Can I see the question, please?
yes please
Thank you. Because not you. Kiken.
that's it
Lộc Thúc is the student. Kiken di Pere.
베네
Pernere. Kiken di Pernere. Lộc Thúc. Europe nere.
gegen di 베네레 롭툭디 유럽네 하고서나 we already know one by one. Gekendi pene re. We know how to say this. Loktuk te Europe ne re. How goes ma?
That's one.
That's it. Fair. Holas. Now we have only left two sentences. Ruba dang noi la inda. Dang noi la tashi dele kira depo ite.
Nhà đều vô nhìn.
La so dang noi la. Ta de duwa. Tut tang tut lapna po raise. Po re male raise. Po as a male. How goes one? Mo as a female. Tut tang tut labna pores. Tut tang tut labna mores. How goes one? That's it. That is tut tang tut labna male re. Tut tang tut labna female re. Now, yeah, tine damro na.
Chắc thằng Jojo lập na phù lì.
Sister tang brother labna male repe.
Chắc sister, right?
Re, achak sister re. Chesang achak mo re wa mo. Achak is mo. Chocho pore. You are right, one. Chocho. Ruba?
Jojo.
Yeah. Chocho. Chocho tang kari pure.
Jojo thằng Phú
That's it. Ruba?
lập na phù lì.
Chocho tang pu labna po res. Pa naru po. That's a male, term for male. How goes one? Chocho tang pu labna po res. Any? Achak tang
Chắc thằng Phú mù
that's it.
lập na mù lì.
That's it. Achak tang pumo labna mores. Peyawo. Achak tang pumo labna mores. How goes one? Olas. Peyawo song song. Now we have only left lakpa tang kangpa. Right? Mariana la yin. Trashi delek tujiche. Tang noi la tujiche. Tene ya
Tashi
Mariana.
delagyan la.
Trashi delek. Ni kirangi diloro na. Yeah.
Lakpa tang kangpa yelka mare. Yenla re.
Lakpa thang kangpa yelka labna branch re. Branch of tree. Tree branch la yelka labgir. Ruba. Lakpa thang kangpa yelka mares. Yenlak res. Yenlak labna limbs. Ruba.
Awesome.
They sound similar, look similar, but not. Ruba chikpa mare. Yelka.
Excuse,
Tree
what is
branch.
that?
Yenlak, limbs, hand and feet. Ruba?
I didn't understand the last one. Can you say it in English, please?
Hand and feet are not branches, they are limbs. How goes it?
Oh.
Is that clear?
Limbs.
Limb. I don't know
What's
in English. Is that right way to say it? Is there a word for
Yes.
and
That's
feet?
Arms and
correct.
legs, limbs.
Oh,
It's
thank
correct,
you.
Tenzin La.
Lasu.
Thank you.
Limbs, arms and legs together. Ruba? Lasu. Like this. How goes one? Peyawo. Little bit tricky here because two sentences attached together. But if we break down those two sentences, we already know them. How goes one? And some new words. Peyawo sonton. Tujiche. Olas. so. Tene ya. Dawala yin. Tashi delek dawala. Bro.
Tashidelek tijinla.
Delek dawala. Ya, dawala. Di kharere. Par di.
Parji. Tom re.
Chom.
Tom Kang re.
Chom. Bro. Can you spell one by one Tom slowly for all of us? Bro.
Karata ta naro to na tong. I think so.
Ha. That's a ha category. How goes one? Ka ratak ha naru tro ma trom pel. Trom as a market. How goes one? Any market. Trom. Tene di karere.
Darata ta kiku ti wa ti wa.
Pel. Tha ratak tra. Tha ratak tra. Kiku tree. Wa Chiwa. Fail. Last. Now we already have this. Di karere.
Pashapkyu pu so pu so.
Fail. Putso. Or friend. La karela gire.
Okay. Garata ta naro to ga sa tok pa tok pa.
Pa maripo.
Tok pa.
Chokpo.
초보. 카르다 찬을 토카사 초. 빠늘고 초보.
Fail. Ka ratak tra. Naru tro. Ka sa trok. Panarupo, Tropo, Agosma, Pego Sonson, Tujiche, Dawala Tujiche, Pego Sonson, Tene, Pamishirila yin, Pamishirila di karere. Tashi delek.
Sí. Tashi delek, Tenzin la. I don't know the word. The chain la. Jewelry.
Di tengware.
Mala. Di?
Yeah, Dilotang. Can you read this?
Haratak. Tra tempo tre. Nga trengpa.
Wa.
Trengware. Yeah. That's trengwa.
Tengwa.
Hengwa.
The common word we say mala.
Mala. Yeah, I see it now. It's I'm just on my phone. I can't see. Na mala. The Radruksha. Oh, no mala. Yeah.
Mala as a Kyagar ki tsik. Ancient India word. Mala.
Mala.
Hingwa as a Tibetan word for rosary. How goes ma? You use it to meditation. Reciting meditation. Mantra meditation. Tengwa.
Hengwa.
Pa ratak cha dengpo te ma teng tengwa.
Hengwa.
How goes ma? Tene pamishri di karere pardi.
Which one?
Di.
Were you pointing to now? Wait a minute. Tengwa. This is the sky. This is oh, I knew the word.
Oh, we see stars. Rava?
Stars. These.
Oh, no problem. These are new words. We didn't learn it. How goes one? Now, yeah. Can you read this?
Yeah. Sa katakar, karakar, karma.
We didn't have ratak here. Here, how goes one? Sa
Yeah.
kataka.
Sa kataka karma.
That's it. Karma. That's it.
Karma.
Karma. How goes one? Karma.
Kosong.
Oh, star. We also say minute. Same spelling. Minute. Hour, minute. Also karma.
Minute.
How goes one? If I say karma chick, 1 minute. Like this. How goes one?
Minute as in time? Minute?
That's it.
1 minute?
That's it. That's
Uh-huh. Okay.
it. Karma as a 1 minute also. Karma as a star also. Karma chope. In the Tibetan scripture, we also mention stars. Who knows? We all become stars. That's
Stardust.
That's all. Then here you see this shape. This one is number 6 in Tibetan. How goes one? Number 6. I will write it down here. Yeah, dang noila dilorona. Dang noila.
Druk.
One by one, Lorona.
Tha. Rata. Dra. Chapyo. Ru. Kha. Druk.
Tha, ratak, tra, soft. How goes ma? Tra. Tha, ratak, tra. Shapju, true, ka, truk. Duk mare, truk, re. How goes ma? It's not duk. It's truk, soft. How goes ma? You see, there is no prefix here. If there is a prefix, it's duk. There is no prefix. Tuk, soft. Tharata cha, shapju, true, ka, true. How goes ma? That's it. That's all. So today we practice some dialogue, some new words, and how to make plural. How goes ma? Di karire, dicho karire, kong sure, kong so sure, kerang kane yin, kerang su kane yin. 디초 가레레, 대초 가레레, all this. 아니 practice 제로낭 투지치 다시 델렉 아니 제라 제요.
Genla Tiwayo.
Genla Tujiche.
Thank you.
May I ask a question? Tenzin
Yes, please.
Last time I asked you how to mix chocho with proper name, and you say chonima or chodawa, for example.
Yes.
The same question: how to combine achak with proper name, for example, pema.
That's it. Anima, apema.
Thank you.
That's it. Thank you very much. Tujichi, bye-bye. Thank you for coming.
Tujinan.
Thank you.
That's all. Bye-bye.
Tujiche. Bye.